Okay, we're going to take a look at this 1993 Yamaha Virago 535. I'm going to grab the camera and have a good close look all around the bike for you. Okay, let's have a close look at this Virago. This is a bit of an old classic, this. It's only had two former keepers. It is HPI clear. Does come with a spare key, and it is really low miles, this. It's just had an MOT on it, so I think it's MOT till April 2022. We'll start at the front and get a good look all over the bike so you can get a look at the condition. Obviously with this bike being, I think it's nearly 28 years old, so there's going to be a bit of character on it. But I don't think you're going to find one with such low miles on as this. So we'll have a good look round it. We'll start at the front and work all the way around. As you can see, it's got a brand new tyre on the front there. There is some rust on the mud guard on the front. Give this some TLC in your shed or your garage. It'll probably come up really well, this. But it's good to see them in this original condition. So there's nothing hidden, there's no surprises with it. Let's get a look over the tank. Get a look over the seat as well. Like I say, there is some bits of surface superficial rust on there. Spend some time, bit of elbow grease. Get that back, I think, not a worry. This is shaft driven. Get a good close look in there. At the back wheel, as you can see, it's got a brand new tyre on the back as well. So new rubber on this, front and back. It does look like a new shock on the back there as well. And let's have a look at the close look at the mud guard. Let's have a look at it from the back. Let's have a look over at this rack. We'll move around to the right hand side. Be able to see it a little bit better on this because it's leaning over on its side stand. Let's get a good look over there. As you can see, it's got another new shock on this side. It's got new shocks on the back. You can see that new tyre on there. Let's get a look at the exhaust. Get a good look at the engine on this side. Let's get a look over at the tank as well. We'll finish over on the right hand side at the front. And what we'll do, we'll go up and have a look at the controls and get the exact mileage off it for you. Right, let's have a look up at the controls. So on this side you've got your throttle, your front brake, kill switch, lights and your start button. And over on the other side you've got your lights, high and low beam, indicators, horn and your pass light. Your little remote there for your fuel, to switch your fuel on and off, reserve. And let's get a look at the mileage. As you can see, it's extremely low this, it's done just 6,029 miles. Just have a quick look at the condition of the mirrors and the bars up on these controls. And there you go. Okay, let's start this up and listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything close up you want to see in particular, we can do that for you and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.